By the way, not that we forgot, it was so early at the top of the show to say happy birthday to the Most Honorable PJ Patterson.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is celebrating 88 years today.
Someone I have so much time for, sir. Happy birthday, sir. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, sir. And he's going to be speaking, his guest speaker, coming up somewhere.
Somewhere shortly, yeah.
Yeah, so.
I feel the knowledge our prime ministers have is something we need to put in a single space for us to benefit from.
I've interviewed every single prime minister since Michael Manley.
Nice.
But I didn't interview Mr. Manley or Mr. Patterson for politics. Believe it or not, this was for cricket. Strange enough.
Cricket.
All right, so our producer, again, don't have anything to do. So apparently this morning's fun stop is called Who Cut the Cheese? This morning we're going to open a can of cheese.
Make a bun and cheese sandwich, because them have no breakfast today. And whoever finishes first will be the Easter Monday champion.
Well, I don't know, because it's this, them give us the
open the can.
But hold on, huh? Another little ugly one, and it just say, no.
That one they can.
Yeah. So, to be honest, them did ask me to bring a can opener this morning, and I brought a bottle opener.
Me too, but it never worked out so well.
Hold on, huh? General Soldier, we need you, because...
I need a big knife. That knife has a little bit. No knife, that's
no, sir, this guy.
I'm if I tell your names. Lauren, where you get them knife here?
Aye, now we usually tell you don't try this at home. Kids don't try this one at home. Yeah? How many have you no deals?
You have me, yes, never.
But it can't go no further.
What is
no, sir, this not healthy either.
Can't healthy.
General Soldier, then you know, live a bush and thing, man. Come deal with this to me, man.
Say what?
General, we had...
The knife is just to puncture it. After you puncture it, then you have to use the opener to open it. That's the trick behind it, never. Oh, jeez. What?
General Soldier, today I wanted to know. But you know, so the man put on the thing and gone back behind the camera and all kind of thing. What happened to the money, man?
Oh my God.
Yeah, where you reach?
Halfway.
Where you reach?
Halfway. Come, Kemar.
All right, have a plan.
Kemar.
Give me no. Kemar, you can't
laugh at me, I tell him for come. Like, Kemar laugh at you.
Kemar, you, since General Soldier helped me.
Look at me, I call Kemar. Like I'm halfway there, I just want to finish it. You better cut yourself, you know yeah, though? No, but Kemar, no, go on. Go on, you have to know who for ask the help.
And the producer knows I don't eat cheese. So the producer trying to...
So use the knife then, no, Kemar? Let me see if you know if you use the knife.
General Soldier is the greatest man in life.
Kemar, you know, no, Kemar, you know, yeah, though. Come, Soldier. Kemar, no, go on, I saw the thing. No, it's all right, go on. Jesus, my mercy.
Thank you, Father.
Why me ask Kemar? No, Kemar. Kemar, who else better than Kemar? Come soft, man. You know, almost open. Kemar, you know, open it no further than when me did open it. Come soft, man. Okay. No, you open it, sir. No bother about your man seat there, man. So Neville just, that's all Neville did? Neville, no, that not make sense.
No, them say must make sandwich.
No, but
make all sandwich.
And that you make the sandwich, man? This cheese is soft. No, me want a nice proper sandwich, you know.
You don't eat these things?
I like the bread back.
You don't like the bread back with the bread?
Bun back.
Yeah, bun back?
Yeah.
As in bun front too?
See it here? No, eat here, eat.
So there's a front and a back to the bun? It's not two back?
Mm-mm.
So there's a front and a back to the bread.
So hold on, because what Neville did was a bun and cheese.
How was that?
Wait no, brother. Add something there, the cheese, you know. See, I slice the cheese. You have to slice cheese, man.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Cheese paste never make, you know. Cheese paste never make.
So I'm having bun and cheese. They're having cheese and bun.
No, you have a whole heap of cheese, man. See it there? Yeah. Never paste on it.
I do my cheese like butter.
Never the cheese butter.
No, butter cheese.
Look here. But I never cheese, no?
By the way, we win.
Never you can't win with the butter cheese. You can't win with the scrape off the top of it.
No, and we done. General Soldier just proved that he is really a general soldier.
Come here, fraud.
I boost it.
Come here, fraud. Look up for him. Come here, you never help me.
By the way, I finished, you know. Oh, explain our teeth.
Because you just wipe the top of the cheese.
No, but she asked Kemar. And Kemar just, what this?
But never you put the cheese on now.
Yes, it them at it. What do you think that is?
Let me tell you something. If people ever come in your yard and you do that, or you do a while ago, when you spread the cheese over the bun, they might beat you.
First thing, when you come to my yard, bring on your own food. That's the first thing. General Soldier, on behalf,
let us split. No, them
on
show
behalf
inside
of Smile Jamaica.
No, I want them show inside of the cheese.
This belongs to you. That is your one. All right, hold on now. No, I'm not making no sandwich. No. Sauce bun them again.
Say
what?
Really, coach?
What, Miss Kemar?
You give him something?
Yeah.
Him shouldn't get nothing.
The great Spondyloo. Thank you.
Here come over there still a complaint said, Auntie Dale, I'm not giving no cheese. You deserve no cheese?
Hold on, no?
Put them all up on it. Land there know how far my thing reach before I never reach Soldier.
This is the great Spanish town. And I'm going to show you how me different. Vinny D.
My gosh.
Vinny D get all plate.
Soft man. But not the film.
Soft man. You can't carry home that soft in time.
Soft man, I'd never do that. Come, darling. Come, baby. Come. Come, baby. Come. Come now. Oh, God, never shame him. You never shame him, so.
No, I give him the plate because I know you was. Yeah, because I know you was going to put things in there.
Come, honey, come.
You're not doing that. All right,
folks. But ball over the plate.
All right, folks. You see, all the people must say, no, them
in the control room in there watch the next one, you know. See, I two one, them are going to give it.
Gonna go for a break. Soon come.
Control room, I say, wait.